Question number 50. Euro is now 34 years old and Blade is 4 years old. In how many years will be Euro be twice as old as Blade? A. 27, B. 20, C. 30, D. 26. Okay, so first and foremost here, let X be the number of years, or let number of years be X followed by the equation 34 plus X is 4 euro. And si Blade naman is 4 plus X. Ito siya. Then, sabi niya dito, in how many years will be twice as old as Blade? So, ito siya. Okay? Yan yung equation natin. Walang specific na formula when it comes to age problem, pero by using the questions and the statement, makakagawa ka ngayon ng equation. So, our equation 34 plus x equals the quantity of 2 times 4x. Then, simplify lang natin. Kung mapapansin ninyo, 2 times 4 we have 8. Then, 2 times x we have 2x. Then, combining like terms, all variables nasa left side and lahat ng constant dito sa kabila. Or, remain lang natin si 8. Okay? From that, we are going to identify that 34 minus 8 that is equal to, okay, x. Then 34 minus 8 that is equal to 26. Therefore, the answer is letter D po.